Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REDBEAT E3 and let me share with you how to soft reset or force restart your device. So actually the force restart operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly and it does not respond to your touches. So to force restart that, you have to simply press the power button, which is located right here, and press it long enough until you see the black screen and then the developer's logo. So let me try to do it. Let me press this. Of course we've got this restart option, but let's pretend that we cannot tap on it. So keep pressing the power button and we've got the black screen, which is a really good sign. And we've got the developer's logo, which means that we just successfully soft reset or force restarted our device, and in a second it will work perfectly fine. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.